Welcome to IT Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to use DIR command in Windows command prompt. So in the previous video of this series, we had seen some basic commands of Windows command prompt. Now we are going to explore DIR command. So I am at this location in command prompt, C users, test user documents. If I go to the same location through File Explorer, I could see one folder named new docs, then a text file with the name new underscore file, and then a PNG file. So now if I type the command dir and click enter, I could see all the files and folders at this location. So it says directory of and then the location of this folder, and then it displays all the files and folders. So if you could see, it shows us the folder new docs, then the text file, and then the PNG file, just exactly how we see in the file explorer. Now here dir means folder, and for all the entries where you do not see dir, those are all files. For all the entries where you don't see dir, you will see a file extension such as .txt, .png, and so on. If I type dir and if I want the files and folders of a specific location, then I can simply type the path for that location. So let's say if I type C users test user and then click enter, then it shows me all the files and folders at the location C users test user. So even if you don't navigate to this path, that's fine. So you can simply type dir followed by the path of the folder. Now when I typed dir, it showed me files and folders at the location documents. But it did not show me files and folders in the subfolder. But what if I want files and folders from subfolders as well? So for that, type dir space slash s. So slash s will stand for recursive search. And then if I click enter, now it shows me the details from the subfolders as well. So first it displays the parent folder details, then it displays the details of the subfolder new docs, then it displays the details of the subfolder. So this way if you type dir slash s, then it will go on displaying the details of all the subfolders. Now what if I do not want all these details such as timestamp, whether it is a folder or a file, what is the size of the folder, if I do not want these details and if I just want the name of the file? So in that case I can type dir slash b. So now it shows me only the names of files and folders. If I want the names of files and folders in the subfolders as well, then I can type dir slash b slash s. That will do a recursive search. And now I could see files and folders from subfolders as well along with their complete path. Now, if I want to save this output of the command dir in a text file, I can type dir followed by arrow symbol, and then I can type the path of the file where I want to save the data. Now let me go to that path, and I have list.txt created here. So if I open this, I get the same result saved in the text file. So this way you can save the output of dir command to another file. Now you can also use dir command to search for a specific file name. So to do that, you can type dir space the name of the file. Then it searched the name of the file under documents folder, that is under the parent folder. Now if I want to do a recursive search, meaning I want to search for the name of the file in subfolders as well. So what I can do is I can type dir name of the file followed by slash s. And now it says that it found the file at this location. Now let's say you do not know the name of the file, but you know the extension of the file. So you can type dir star, which is the wildcard dot txt. So what this command will do is it will search for all the files with the extension .txt, and then it will display all those files. Now let's take a look at attributes. So there are two most important attributes. The first attribute is to search for hidden files. So for that you need to type dir slash a, which stands for attribute, followed by the type of the attribute. So here I want to search for hidden files. So I'll type h, will allow me to display hidden files at this location. Now as you could see, we found one hidden file called confidential.txt, which is a text file. So let's go to the folder through File Explorer. And if I go to Documents, if I go to View, Show, and then let me select Hidden Items. So the moment I select Hidden Items, I could see the hidden text file confidential.txt, which is displayed here. So using this attribute command dir/ah, you will be able to look for hidden files. Now the second attribute is to view only folders and not files. Then for that I can type dir/a, which is the attribute, and then the attribute name, so which is D. And now if you could see all the entries as either dir or junction. So all these are folders. So it is not displaying the text file or the PNG file. So using this command, you can view only folders. So to sort the files and folders by date, I can type dir/od. D will stand for date. And now if you could see, it has arranged the date and time in the ascending order. And if you want to find out what all parameters are supported by dir command, then you can simply type dir followed by slash and question mark and then click enter. So it will show you all the different parameters that you can use for this command. So this way you can use dir command within Windows command prompt in order to search for files and folders and to view the list of files and folders in your folder structure. So if you found this information useful, then please subscribe to IT tutorials. Thank you for watching.